Magiging 10 placer siya. Top senior, okay. The open division, 10 placer goes to Chris Dispo. He will receive a cash prize of 500 pesos. Sir, 9 placer, Elijah Adaya. He will receive a cash prize of 500 pesos. Congratulations. Eighth placer, Berby Abdan. He will receive a cash prize of 500 pesos. Seventh placer, Galo Nepaptik. Congratulations. Also a cash prize of 500 pesos. With mama. Di ba tayo tangka ti mamam? Akala ka ng pagtupama. Okay. Sixth placer, Roniel Pansakula. Also a cash prize of 500 pesos. Fifth placer will receive the cash prize of 800 pesos. Goes to Brian Gaber Villuan. Congratulations. O, di ba ako na lang. Wala na si Brian, umuwi na yata. Okay? Fourth placer goes to Lennon Hart Salgados. He will receive a cash prize of 1,000 pesos. Pasalamat kayo kay Sir Edgardo Castro. Pinili niya pa rin yung top senior. Okay, thank you, thank you. Now let's proceed to our special awards for the open division. Our top senior goes to Sir Edgardo Castro. Actually, 4th placer siya, pero mas pinili niya yung top senior. Okay, sir? Top senior. Okay, sir? Okay, sir. And our top lady goes to Richard Sedanya. Standby, share ko muna. And then for our top junior goes to Gilsmar Gabrilio. Okay, yan po ang ating special awardees for the open division. And for